खुलुमखा प्रथमनो आं बुबाग्रानो आंनि खुलुमनानै ते हामजांमानि याफाराव दिनै चाइ थुमुंबाय o jaga YTF ni sar bunal sar rang sar phaiei ano blood nangmani jesek nangmani rifaiga ang tini blood ni bagai dormanogor onekta club o turi jak khaiba thangka kintu thangmani pore phano kebin thina ang blood maya onek jon bai ang contact khaika maya aboni pore ang tini bubagra na call khaika bubagra thaka 10 minute সময় নাখা 10 minute bisingo sar sangrokano call khaiei blood ni jugar khai dikha abagai belai khai sar sangno bono tei bubagra no specialist babe ang hamai ma janago bin khamta marin bagai sising tini obo hayengo belai benai khana hambai bubagra no ka ani parang kai monu romja ko parang bu kai lomba bil jeta sumbada sama kai monu.
Today we came to help our brother Sanjeev as we learned that he is in trouble. We have seen a message from our Bubagra, and we have taken an immediate initiative from Darchal YTF and this Jalaibasa YTF. So he is from Sanjeev Debrama is from Manu, and we are from different part of Tripura. Even though we are from different part of Tripura, but we have unity or Thansa. Due to Thansa, we came and help him here. Whatever it is necessary to take initiative, we are ready to take initiative as YTF. I am being as a central vice president of YTF, and with my colleagues Lineker, he is also the vice president of YTF. So we promise him to take initiative, and this is a regard to even to our Bubagra. We feel him not to worry, so we will take care of everything for our brother Sanjeev. Thank you.